Is popping a pimple actually bad? I know you do it too. But is this approach truly helpful, or does it lead to more harm than good? It is now time to dive into this controversial topic. I was there in that dilemma not long ago, as you can see. Honestly, I've always been resistant to pop a pimple, until my boyfriend, who has a background in medicine, told me something that completely changed my perspective about it. He told me to do it because it will help me to heal faster. And then he asked me, what is the difference between acne and an abscess? Which is the same, but just on a different scale. When someone has an abscess, the first thing to do is squeeze out all the pus from it. And same thing with pimples. So I just started doing it, and personally I found that this helps me a lot to speed up the healing process. So now let me tell you how to do it in a safe way and the advantage you can get from it. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, as this helps to prevent contamination. Wash your hands and sanitize all of your equipment. And to reduce the possibility of contamination, you can use alcohol to keep everything clean. You can use your hands, a blackhead extractor, or Q-tips, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. It is important that you don't overdo it, as it can create more inflammation. Trust me, I have done that so many times. That's why I tell you, just make sure you take out all the pus. After you have popped your pimple, cleanse your face again with a gentle cleanser to remove all of the bacteria. And then apply a serum containing salicylic acid and aloe vera to speed up the healing process and to reduce the inflammation. Just remember, let your skin rest, because if you touch it too much, it can leave your scars, and we don't want that. Follow us for more beauty secrets.